The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Jamar Roofing and Sheet Metal.
Jamar Roofing and Sheet Metal has been operating in Central Texas since 1970. President and CEO David Phillips is here to give us some tips for homeowners, especially after recent storms. So David, we've had a spate of storms recently. Talk to me about what you'd tell homeowners.
So the first thing I think a homeowner should do is do a walk around themselves, make sure there's nothing immediate that needs attention. Obviously, if it's wind or hail, have a roofing company come out. We offer free inspections and let us assess the damage. Our number one goal is customer satisfaction. It has been since the company was founded. James and Marilyn McKinney, we just try to hold up their legacy and taking care of our customers.
That's wonderful. How can homeowners protect themselves when hiring a roofer? So yes, it's nice that the roofer comes out, maybe gives an estimate, but there are a lot of folks who come in from out of town who chase storms, basically.
Oh, it's rampant throughout the country. It's a really big industry. And you know, the number one thing is to check out your roofer, see if they are local. They should have a local address. You should be able to drive by their office and see their actual facilities.
And we're at your space, which is just down in Buda, but you guys serve most of Central Texas, is that right?
Actually, we serve the entire state now. We've grown quite a bit since I took over in 2005, and we have offices, 7 other offices throughout Texas now.
That's amazing, and you celebrated 20 years last year. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. Yeah.
All right, why are more Texans choosing metal roofing? It seems counterintuitive.
Well, metal is going to have a longer lifespan than a comp shingle. So you know, if you look at the life cycle cost of your roof, it's actually cheaper than a comp shingle.
Wow.
Because in Texas, with our hailstorms, comp shingles usually get replaced within 10 to 15 years.
What's the biggest mistake you'd say folks make after storm damage? Let's say they know a hailstorm has come through, they know that they've probably got some damage to the roof. What is the number one thing that they can do to mess it up?
Well, I think just like we spoke earlier, the number one thing that a lot of customers do is accept an offer at the door from these storm chasers. And that binds them into an agreement, which many times proves to be a bad choice. And you know, the number one thing is don't sign anything. You've got plenty of time to take care of your claim. The insurance industry allows 1 to 2 years for you to make the repairs.
Wow.
My advice is just say, it's okay, we're going to have a local company take a look at it and send them down the road.
A local company you are. All right, thank you so much, David. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Get started with a free estimate by going to jmarroofing.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Jamar Roofing and Sheet Metal.